We're interrupting our scheduled broadcast to cut across two live updates coming in on the BJP Parliamentary Party meet, where Prime Minister Narendra Modi has also just reached. All of the top leaders of the Bharatiya Janata Party are present for the Parliamentary Party meet, where there is, of course, going to be a crucial discussion on the ongoing winter session of Parliament, how the BJP wants to go forward in their strategy, and also what bills they intend to ensure are passed in this session. There will also be a discussion on all that's transpired so far in Parliament with regards to the suspension of MPs, the showdown on that, as well as several other issues. The Prime Minister has made his way in, as you can see on your screens there. All the top leaders of the BJP are present for the BJP Parliamentary Party meet. This is a norm that we see during every session of Parliament, where top leaders come together to brainstorm. Poulomi Saha is joining us with more details on this. Poulomi, good morning. What's on the agenda of this Parliamentary Party meet of the BJP?
Well, good morning, Akshita. This is, of course, an unusual Parliamentary Party meeting because this is happening for the first time outside the precincts of Parliament. The Parliamentary Party meeting, like you said, is a norm. It happens once a week, usually on Tuesdays, as has been set, as a practice by this regime. So on Tuesdays, it happens inside Parliament, but now because of work happening at the Parliament Library building where the meeting happens, and because of the overall Central Vista work, this meeting is happening outside the precincts of Parliament at the Ambedkar Centre on Janpath in Delhi. The Prime Minister has arrived for this meeting. Top issues, of course, include the smooth functioning of Parliament in terms of the agenda, the legislative agenda of the government, and in terms of how to counter the opposition, which is obviously going to try and corner the government on various issues, including that of, we saw how the opposition tried to corner the government on the issue of Nagaland yesterday, but the Home Minister did make a formal statement in both houses of Parliament. Then, of course, the issue of price rise, inflation, unemployment, that is one of the issues. The TMC and left parties also want to raise the subject of violence in Tripura as well. So these are some of the issues, but the government, of course, will be trying to ensure that there is full functioning of Parliament and the legislative agenda is carried forward. So all of this will be on the table as the Parliamentary Party meets the first time during this session. Last week there was no meeting again because they were trying to have a venue for this meeting. So this is the first Parliamentary Party meeting this session.
Okay, and Poulomi, considering all that's transpired in the last 1 week or so in the winter session, we've seen a lot of disruptions on the issue of the suspension of MPs as well. And the government stand on this has been very clear that an apology is needed. Will there be some sort of discussion on this as well, on whether there could be perhaps a change in the government stand? Apologies, we've lost that connection with Poulomi. We'll go across to her again in just a bit, but we're beaming for you the visuals and images that just came in a few minutes ago from the BJP Parliamentary Party meet, where Prime Minister Narendra Modi is in attendance. You see Home Minister Amit Shah there, BJP Chief JP Nadda, as are several other union ministers and all the top leaders of the BJP. As Poulomi pointed out to us, this is a weekly happening. Every week on Tuesday, you see the BJP coming together, and all parties really hold this kind of a parliamentary party meet to discuss what really the strategy should be in the rest of the session. And there's no doubt that there would be a renewed focus as far as the BJP is concerned on what bills they believe should be given priority in the winter session, to address also the deadlock, particularly how the opposition has been upping the ante on the suspension of their MP. So all of that is being discussed in the Parliamentary Party meet. What Poulomi did point out to us also is the fact that this particular meeting that you see on your screens there was in fact going away from the usual practice of holding a meeting within the Parliament premises. This is happening outside of the Parliament premises, and you've got all of the top leaders of the BJP present there for the huddle.